Today, we're going to explore the process of dissolution of ammonium sulfate in water and write the resulting ionic equation. Ammonium sulfate, represented by the formula NH4 2SO4, is an ionic compound composed of ammonium, NH4, ions, and sulfate, SO4, ions. When it dissolves in water, it breaks apart into its constituent ions. When ammonium sulfate is added to water, this dissolution process occurs due to the interaction between water molecules and the ions. Water molecules are polar, meaning they have a slight positive charge on one side and a slight negative charge on the other. These water molecules surround the ammonium and sulfate ions. The attraction between the water molecules and the ions is strong enough to pull the ions away from each other, causing the solid ammonium sulfate to separate into individual ions. The process results in the following ionic equation. Ammonium sulfate dissociates into two ammonium ions and one sulfate ion when dissolved in water. Here, the solid ammonium sulfate on the left side of the equation dissociates into two ammonium ions and one sulfate ion in aqueous form on the right side. The subscript in front of an H4 means we have two ammonium ions. These ions are now freely moving in the water, and the AQ notation indicates that they are aqueous, meaning dissolved in water. This aqueous state allows for the ions to participate in further chemical reactions. By understanding the dissolution process and ionic equations like this, we gain valuable insight into how substances interact in solutions and how they are available for further chemical reactions.